So today we are going to learn about writing skills, and in writing skills we are going to learn about letter writing, how to write a letter. Now, before writing a letter, we should know that what is a letter. Earlier we were writing letters, but now what are we using? We are using WhatsApp to give messages for any invitation. Okay. So what is a letter? A letter is what? A written or printed communication which is directed to a person or organization. Organization means any company, institution, or any group. And it is like printed communication. Whatever you want to say, you either you write or you print. Now, how letters are created and sent? There are three ways. First one is email. You mail it, or it is called electronic transmission. Transmission means carrying or spreading or circulating anything. Second one is your hand delivered transmission. Okay, like letters you receive. Third is regular mails transmissions, like you are sending me mails of your work. So these are the three ways by which you can send letters and you can create letters. Now, what are the objectives behind a letter? Why do we write a letter? What are the objectives? So before writing a letter, we should know that what are the objectives. So here you can see four objectives are given. The first one is to teach the students to read letters or letter requests carefully before responding. Teachers should teach the students to read letters, how you should read the letter, or you should or letter request carefully before responding. Before giving reply, you should read it carefully. Okay. Second one is to teach the students the importance of creating formal and informal documents. Now, what is formal and informal documents? That I'll tell you. What are the kinds of letters in that we are going to study. Third one is to teach students basic letter formats. Basic letter formats means the structure, how we should write a letter. If you are writing a letter which is formal, then there is a separate format, and for informal, there is a separate format. And letter writing strategies. Strategies are what? Master plans or programs. Last is to teach students letter writing etiquettes. Letter writing etiquettes means manners. Whenever you are writing, how you should write, to whom you are writing. You should know that if you are writing a letter to the principal, then what kind of letter it should be. Or if you are writing a letter to your family members, to your relatives, then what should you write in that letter? Okay. Now, letter writing etiquettes. What are etiquettes? Etiquette is what? Good manners or appropriate or accepted social practices that reflect and promote civility. Simply, we can say that etiquette is good manners in which we should write letters, or appropriate. Appropriate means proper, which is like accepted social practices and that reflects back and promotes civility. Promote means help and civility means good manners. So when should you write a letter? Now, first we learned about objectives. Now is when should you write a letter? Anytime you can't write a letter, no, like you are sitting and you want to write a letter, we can't do like this. So when should we write? First, when you want to thank someone who has been gracious. Gracious means polite, kind, or helpful to you. So the first point is when you want to thank somebody who was kind or who was helpful to you, and you want to show your thankfulness to him. Second is when you need assistance. Assistance means you need help or answers to help you make intelligent decisions. When you want to make proper and intelligent or good decisions, that time when you need help, then you write letters. To respond to a letter, to reply to a letter or letter request that you have recently received. If you have recently received any letter and you want to just write, respond it back, you want to reply it back. So that time also we write a letter. To create legal documents, when you want to make lawful documents, okay, paperwork that record informations and support claims. When you want to make the legal documents and that are like record informations and they support claims, means any declarations. Last one is saying to show that you are a courteous, professional, detail-oriented person who is aware of etiquettes. When you want to show that you are a courteous person, okay, you are a professional, you are like, professional means belonging to any profession, career. Detail-oriented means when you want to give all the information in detail, and you are also aware of good manners. So these are the 5 points when you should write a letter. Next comes, when you are writing a letter, what should be there in a letter? Okay, the letter should be in the correct format. Okay, it's not like that you have started the letter and you are writing anything. As I told you, when you write an application to the principal, you have to be very particular in writing. Second point is saying that it should be short and to the point. If you are writing a formal letter, it should be short and to the point. Informal letter, you can add something else also. Relevant. Relevant means it should be closely connected to what is being done. It should be applicable. Suppose you are writing an application for leave, then you should mention it properly and it should be to the point. Fourth point is free of any grammatical or spelling mistakes. There should be no grammatical or spelling mistakes when you are writing a letter. Next is polite, even if you are complaining. We generally write some applications as complaints also. So whenever you are writing a letter as an application of complaint, you should be polite. Even like in that also, you should not use harsh language there. Harsh words should not be used. Then it should be well presented. Whether it is a formal letter or informal letter, the letters should be well presented. Now, types of letters. Now we come to the main point, that what is formal letter and what is informal letter. So the main difference between a formal letter and an informal letter is their purpose. Purpose means why do we write? So what is a formal letter? A formal letter is written for professional communication. Professional communication means it's written for either official use or for business purpose. Written in the formal language, and the language of formal letter is very formal, like it's to the point only, with a specific format for business or official purpose, like you are only mentioning the main purpose, main reason in that letter. And whenever we write a formal letter, we write subject also, why we are writing this letter. Examples are given, like if you want to write a letter of inquiry, you want to inquire something, find out. Inquiry means you want to find out. A letter of request, if suppose you want to write a letter of request to any office or to any businessman, then also we say that it's a formal letter. Then when you want to complain, so it's a letter of complaint. So formal letter is a letter which is written for official and business purpose. Now comes informal letter. Informal letter is used for personal communication. Means we write these letters to our friends and to our relatives. And there is no strict format to write an informal letter. We don't use proper format, but we have to follow the format which is made for this informal letter. Okay. So we'll see that format also, how to write. Right now we are writing a letter to a pen friend. So we'll see it's an informal letter because we are writing a letter to friend. So let's see what is the format. So now the format for informal letter is, in the first 3 lines, you are going to write your address because you are sending a letter. So first 3 line is sender's address. Then comes date. Now for date, there are 2 formats of writing date. First one is you can write 26th April 2021, or you can write April 26, 2021. So these are the 2 formats, you have to follow any one. Next comes salutation. So this is informal letter. So we are going to write dear friend, dear grandma, dear uncle, dear aunt, because we are writing to friends and relatives. So salutation means how you greet your dear ones when you write a letter. Next comes content, the body of the letter. What are you mentioning in the letter? Why are you writing a letter? Okay. Last is subscription. Subscription means your initials, your signature, a short piece of writing at the end of the document. Okay. So this is how you are ending your letter, writing your loving friend, and then you are writing your name. So this is your format. So this format also you are going to copy it in your notebook. Fine. Now we'll move to the letter. Okay. So question is already there that you were reading your school magazine and you came to know about a friend in Malaysia and you want to write a letter to that friend. So as she is abroad, she is in some other country. So we are going to mention India in our letter. Okay. So first line I have written like the name of my house. Even you can mention your house name A5. Okay. This is like it's the series which is given to that street or that area. Then street number 1, Ajmer Road, Vyawar, Rajasthan and India. Okay. So this, in these three lines, you are completing your address because you are sending the letter. So your address should be mentioned. Then comes the date. So the easy date which I have taken the format for writing date is April 26, 2021. Now I have written Dear Ravi, and so you can mention your friend's name. Hello, how are you? This is the first line which we write in letter. Hello, how are you? Hope you are in pink of your health. Pink of your health means you are in good health. I am fine here. I was reading my school magazine and happened to read your article. The pen friend to whom you are writing a letter, she has just sent one, posted one article in that magazine, and you read that article. It was incredible. Incredible means it cannot be compared with anything, and I liked it. I also found similarities in our hobbies. I got your address in the magazine. I would like to be your friend. So you are requesting that friend that I want to be your friend. I shall be elated to have a friend like you. Elated means I shall be happy to have a friend like you. Waiting for your reply. And last, what are you ending? How are you ending? Your loving friend Akshay. So here you are going to write your own name. Now pen friend means a friend to whom you write a letter with pen. So this is how you write informal letter. You can give some extra information also in informal letter. But when you are writing a formal letter, it should be short and it should be to the point. So this is all about your informal letter.